The major tragedy was narrowly avoided early this morning, where the Mumbai-Amravati Express collided with a grain-laden truck near the Bodwad railway station. Approximately 4 a.m. this morning, the truck breached an old railway crossing and became stranded on the tracks. The approaching express train struck the vehicle. However, due to its reduced speed at that time, no major injuries were reported. The truck driver fled from the scene and is currently being sought after by the authorities. Investigation that has also been launched in this incident being reported. So this is the major tragedy, Nilesh. We're getting the information that was narrowly avoided this morning.
Well, Samita, good morning to you. A major tragedy averted as a truck was hit by Mumbai-Amravati Express train near the Bodwad railway station. Now, this happens to be an incident which took place early morning hours at around 4 a.m. But to a great relief, no individual have been injured into the said act. The driver is said to be fleed away from the spot, and police officials, RPF, have launched an investigation to understand what exactly transpired into this incident. They are suspecting that the said accused driver could have been under influence of alcohol, but they are trying to ascertain what exactly caused this incident. Was it a mere accident, or was it some intentional act which was done by the driver to derail the Mumbai-Amravati Express train? However, at the moment it is a big sign of relief that no injury has been caused, and the train, due to its slow speed, did not got derailed from the railway tracks. But yes, the service line have been affected. The express train got delayed for multiple hours, and which is why the train following this Amravati Express train have also been derailed. So yes, the services are currently being affected, but a big sign of relief that no injury or major incident have been averted today early morning hours.
All right. So it seems that other angles that are also being investigated. If this incident that has been reported early this morning at around 4 a.m., the truck that breached on the old railway crossing and became stranded on the tracks, the approaching express train thankfully was not running at high speed, and because of that, no major injuries or when it comes to a big accident that has been reported. However, a major tragedy that has been averted. The truck driver is currently absconding, according to what reports are now suggesting, and attempts that are now being made using those heavy machinery to remove the stranded truck from the tracks where it got struck, and the train there that can also be seen. However, no major injuries, or even when it comes to the impact was such that we are not looking at a big tragedy that has now been reported. Investigation, however, has been called in this incident. Nilesh, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. In the meantime, let's